morning, y'all. Welcome to another day of vlogmas. We're in Atlanta right now. I came over to my sister's house to spend some time with her before I leave for Vegas in a couple of days. We're about to go on a walk on the Beltline, a little hot girl walk to start our morning. But she also said that she wants to have like a girls' night and we're gonna make Christmas cookies, watch Christmas movies, you know, do all the like holiday stuff. So after our walk on the Beltline, we are gonna go to the store to get some holiday things. And then we're gonna come back and make our cookies. That's pretty much the agenda for the day. If I'm being honest, I'm actually so excited to do these cookies because when I baked cookies at my apartment, they were like the pre-packaged ones. We're gonna be making these ones from scratch. I saw a TikTok video. We're gonna try to recreate the recipe. I've never baked cookies from scratch before, so I am excited to do it for the first time. I don't know how good I am at baking. I know I can cook, but baking is a different ball game. So we're gonna see how well I can bake. But I told you I love holiday stuff. I love everything festive. So I'm gonna have so much fun. We walked all the way to Ponce City Market from the Beltline. My sister wanted to stop at West Elm to get some stuff, but we're done now, so we're about to go to Target to get more Christmas things. y'all, so I'm back from the store now. I did get a couple things for her apartment, like these Christmas trees and this light up candle. It looked really cute. I hope when it actually lights up, it's as cute as it looked in the picture. And for our Christmas cookie situation, look how cute these are. They're like Christmas tree measuring spoons. I thought it was adorable. So we got these and this snowman measuring cup. Like, this is 1/4 cup, and then it has the different increments on different parts of the snowman. Like, how cute. So now that I'm back home, I'm gonna take a shower and then we're gonna make our Christmas cookies.
Yourself. A merry little Christmas night. And have yourself a merry little Christmas.
Okay, y'all, so I actually had to step in and walk y'all through this whole cookie baking process, okay? We had the aesthetics down, everything was making sense until we actually started working on the cookies. First of all, if you're going to start baking anything, make sure you get a whisk because we forgot one, so we used a spoon. We also don't have a mixer. Thinking it would be very easy to do this by hand without a mixer in a regular bowl with a regular spoon was my first mistake. Then the recipe called for melted or warmed butter. Again, didn't think that was a big deal, so please watch me struggle with this butter. I was trying my hardest to like get it to mix in, but it was just too hard because I took it right out the fridge, so it was only sitting out for maybe like a couple minutes and it was just way too hard. So here I am struggling with the butter. Okay, so after 50 years, we finally worked through it. It did start to soften up the more I like mixed it around, but cool. So moving on, we put the eggs, we put the vanilla, all that good stuff. Everything is making sense right now. Okay, we're getting somewhere right now. But I can't even lie to y'all, like I don't know if y'all can tell how hard I was mixing, but this was so hard to do without a whisk. Like I was gripping that bowl, like it was so hard to mix all of these ingredients together. I was trying my best though, like I really was putting in work. Shout out to Nara Smith and all the baking girlies that make it look very effortless and very easy, because this was not easy at all. So now our cookie batter is actually giving cookie batter. It looks really good. I'm actually proud of myself at this moment. But it's at this moment that we start to realize something's wrong. The more we add the flour, the harder it gets to mix, which makes sense because it's getting thicker, but it was just getting too thick. Eventually I had to go back and look at the recipe, the TikTok. I had to watch it all over again because I'm like, there's no way that the difference between a mixing bowl and a hand mixer is this much. Like something's just not adding up. Come to find out, I did not put enough butter. So not only did I not use softened butter, but I used too little butter. And now I just have this doughy bowl of flour. So we added some more butter. It was actually like a whole stick and I only used like 1/4 of the stick. But yeah, we added the whole stick of butter. It did help and we got it mixed in, but at this point in the process, we were just too deep. We were too deep in the recipe. Everything was just a mess. I had to hand it over to my sister to try to mix it up and give it some extra manpower because like, y'all, it was so thick. Like it was just thick. I can't even explain it. It wasn't moist, it wasn't doughy, it was just thick. But after a while we finally got it to a better place and we were able to just move forward. I did taste it though. At this point I tasted it just to make sure that we weren't wasting our time, because baby, we were ready to just throw it away and start all the way over if we had to. Thankfully it did taste good. It wasn't looking good, but it tasted good. Once we got the sprinkles mixed in, the flour had pretty much soaked up all the oil from the butter, so the dough is very moist now, at least moist enough for us to start cutting out the cookie shapes. It took a while for us to get here, but we finally did. I know this looked very chaotic, but the cookies actually did taste really good. Would I ever bake again? Absolutely not. Did I have fun? Absolutely. Just let me know in the comments if you guys want me to link the TikTok video of the recipe.
On Christmas Eve, many years ago, I lay quietly in my bed. I did not rustle the sheets. I breathed slowly and silently. I was listening for a sound I was afraid